ka sorkar jilla kala kren shai baga shong menta saha ka blueprint bakin pha shaka harijan panchat committee ha ka baidei bat ki mat ki baga sorkar ka labo shaka te ka committee naga benta ban pinkin ria no yeki na themmetor haba kren bat kilat pathai khubor usembut menteri rangba ka jilla uba prestun tensong ulongru ba ka HPC kala bandawa wadi ka bneng ru Hynrei ka dei ka sorkar ka ban bishar yaki tei ki jingdawa jongki
I've already entrusted to Urban Affairs Department to work out the blueprint, what we can do from the government side, and now they are yet to submit to me, because once that is done, we will communicate to them officially, and then we will invite them once again for discussion. So what agreement is there? I said right now, this discussion is still on, and then from their side they submitted few issues in the form of resolution that they want this. That is okay. I mean, anybody can do that. But ultimately, from the government side, we will again call, and then we will again sit down with them once the detailed blueprint is prepared by the Urban Affairs Department, which I've already instructed Urban Affairs Department to go little faster on this issue, then come back, and then we will call them for discussion. One more thing. As I said to you, demand can be heaven also. There's no harm. It can be heaven also. You want anything you can write, anything you can demand, but ultimately let us be realistic from both sides. So therefore, I cannot say right now anything on this unless we also from the government side, we prepare all the details, and then we will give it to them. Whether you like it or not, whether it's acceptable to you or not, but from the government side, we walk out responsibly towards a permanent solution on this. Yes, the concerned civil societies also, they are concerned about this issue, seeing the demand of the HPC. No doubt of it. Not only the social organization, even the stakeholders, even the citizens of the state, I think they are also concerned, equally concerned about this. So therefore, on that basis, as I said to you, as a government, we wanted to have a reasonable solution to this. Reasonable solution is what? Means we will walk out. That's what I keep telling you again. We have already entrusted Urban Affairs Department, walk out all the details, then come back, then we will invite one more time for discussion and talk with the HPC. So in fact, I've already told them, if you can do it, maybe within this month, nothing again. From the government side, we have already stopped it. We have already asked them, make this issue as priority. So once that is done, I don't have any problem. Anytime we can call from you. I think that is too early to say. I don't think they can just say like that. See the ground reality. See when we ultimately reach to a final stage of the discussion.